Day trading, your path to $1,000 a week. Want to make extra money? Day trading might be for you. You can trade stocks online and potentially earn big profits. It takes work and learning, but it can be very rewarding. This guide will teach you the basics of day trading and get you started on the path to earning an extra $1,000 a week. Let's get started. What is day trading? Day trading is buying and selling stocks within the same day. You're trying to profit from small price movements. It's different from regular investing where you hold stocks for a long time. Day traders use strategies and analysis to find trading opportunities. Strategies for new day traders. There are many day trading strategies. Beginners can start with simple ones. One strategy is following the news. If good news comes out about a company, its stock might go up. Another strategy is looking at charts for patterns. Patterns can tell you when to buy or sell. Managing risk in day trading. Day trading has risks, but you can manage them. Never trade with more money than you can afford to lose. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. These orders automatically sell your stock if it drops to a certain price. Don't be afraid to take profits when you're up.